pretty dangerous.
Stevenson is investigating a human-animal encounter that turned deadly. A moose was found shot dead,
Ouch!
leaving 2 calves orphaned.
Hi, babies.
Spring is birthing season for moose, and in order to ensure the population survives, moose hunting is illegal this time of year.
These calves are probably about 2 weeks old. Calves this young, pretty much 100% guaranteed they're not going to make it. They'll either be killed by dogs, bears, or starve to death.
The man who found the dead moose on his property shows Trooper Stevenson the crime scene.
My son said that they'd seen a moose laying down. It looked like it was dead. Come back here, and there she was.
Well, if I can see an entry wound, as bloody as she is, she should be bruising a little bit. There we go.
Stevenson
Que manhoso que ele tá.
find the bullet, but before he can get up close and personal with the entrails, he needs to air out his work environment.
There's gases that build up in the tissues that are breaking down inside the body, and there's no place for it to go. That's nasty.
Não pica ele, não. Ai, ai.
Alright, Norm, you got 3 pieces here. You got the leather pants, leather jacket
Okay,
here. These 2 go together, same brand logo. Jacket, pants, and then you've got this jacket here. Would you be interested in selling?
I'm not gonna ride a bike again, I'm sure. I think I would, yeah, would sell it.
What are you thinking on?
400.
400.
Ai,
What about 300?
No, I wouldn't let it go for 3. How about 350?
350. 325.
No, I don't think so. I think it's 350. That's the
350.
very good.
These leathers are in great condition. There's no holes, no rips, and I got them at a great price. Ooh, Lonnie, look at this.
That's the rarest.
That's the rarest of rare right there. Hood ornament. Beautiful.
That's a 1925 Express truck.
The Express truck was like the predecessor to the pickup truck, and this is what they looked like in 1925.
When I bought it, I was told it's the only one in the country.
As pickers, this is exactly what we live for. Where did you get this?
I got this at Hershey. At the Cockatiel at Hershey.
Yeah.
I traded my real 57-ton rig for this, you know.
Traded a real car for that?
Real car.
Why?
Yeah, everybody thought I was nuts when I did it.
Trading a real 1957 T-Bird for a pedal car might sound crazy, but you know what? If it's as rare as Norm says it is, it was probably a good deal. When you got it, was it restored?
Yeah, just like this.
Exactly like somebody had already done it. Even though it's a restoration, the branding for American National is still on the front. These guys were the top-of-the-line maker of pedal cars back in the day. It's incredible. It is. I tell you what, I mean, there's not a lot of things that blow my mind. This is one of them. I mean, especially when you said that this might be the only one around. Is this something you would sell?
Yeah, probably would.
What are you thinking
Not
on
cheap.
it?
At least 13. At least 13,000.
13 grand? 13K is some serious loot. If I'm gonna consider paying that much for a pedal car, I've got to do some research first. Would you care if I took a couple photos of it?
No, you can go ahead.
Hey, let me take a couple pictures of this thing. Our friend Elmer is a pedal car expert. If anybody knows what this pedal car is worth, he will. I'm gonna shoot him some photos and hopefully he can get back to us with some information. Elmer.
Yeah.
Hey, did you get those pictures we sent you?
Yeah, sure did.
All right, it's a 1925 American National Express truck, totally restored. The guy's asking 13K.
Too much.
What's a comfortable price?
What will
Goodbye.
That's retail?
Goodbye. Goodbye.
No
Goodbye.
kidding.
Goodbye.
This is why we step back and do our homework. I mean, 5K, that's definitely worth